Question 5. We have simplified 2 root 18 minus 4 root 32 plus 3 root 50. Here are the options. Now, to solve this question, we have 2 root 18 minus 4 root 32 plus 3 root 50. Now, we need to write each of these words in their basic form. That is, root 18 in the basic form is root 9 times 2. That is 3 root 2. Then we have root 32. Root 32 in the basic form is root 16 times 2. This is going to give us 4 root 2. Then we have root 50. Then that's going to give us 25 times 2. And that's going to give us 5 root 2. So we have expressed root 18 in the basic form, root 32 in the basic form, root 50 in the basic form. So we turn back to the question. 2 roots. So root 18 becomes 3 root 2 minus 4. Root 32 becomes 4 root 2 plus 3. Root 50 becomes 5 root 2. Then this becomes 6 root 2 minus 16 root 2. 4 times 4, 16 root 2 plus 3 times 5, 15 root 2. Then we simplify this. 6 root 2 plus 15 root 2 minus 16 root 2. 6 root 2 plus 15 root 2 is going to give us 21 root 2 minus 16 root 2. 21 minus 16 root 2 is going to give us 5 root 2. Yeah, the final answer here is 5 root 2. So our option here is option C. Ṣó le, kò le.